What's up, everyone? Again, Kyle from ePoolSupply. Today we are going to go over Hayward's two-wheel tune-up kit. I'm going to show you guys what comes included, so stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So today I'm going to open up Hayward's 792 two-wheel lower body kit. This is meant to replace their Poolvergnuegen two wheels as well as the Aquanaut 200s and 250s. This is just a really good lower body conversion kit just to allow you guys to not have to replace all the gears and everything that comes included in those cleaners. It's already done for you in this kit, so I'll go ahead and open this up and show you guys. So grab some handy dandy scissors real quick. Sweet. So they'll put some bubble wrap in there so that when we ship it to you guys, it'll be nice and safe in transit for you. And then I'll go ahead and pull out the conversion kit as well as, the new suction inlet. So every time you buy one of these, it comes with two different types of suction inlets. You get a large and a small included in the extra package. They do give you a little bit of instructions on what you need to do to get this thing installed on the two-wheel cleaner as well. Again, we like to think our videos are a little better, so make sure you watch this. Don't read the instructions on that. So, but it does have some of the parts missing. So if you guys are unfamiliar with how to change some of the lower brackets or how to get your top off, then please check out our other videos. We've got tons of them on actually deconstructing those cleaners as well. So they do ship the lower body conversion with a rubber band here on the turbine. The whole point of that is just to make sure that these bands don't fall out in transit for you guys. So if they do, don't worry, it's not broken. You guys can slide them right back on, rebuild the turbine. It's not an issue. So, but the purpose of these obviously is depending on the debris of your pool. So large is normally meant for like some palm fronds, something larger that will actually go through the inlet. And then of course the small one is if you just got a smaller pool with finer debris and you want this to actually clean up that smaller debris, it's good to change out the inlets. But on the bottom, you already have a medium one installed. It's the most common size. It gives you a basic range of all the debris that typically ends up in your pool. So that's normally what everybody will keep. But in the case that you need something different, they do include those. So just wanted to show you guys this and what comes included. You guys can tell all the gears are installed. Your drive kits are installed. The wheels are here, but you will need more parts. So make sure you guys check out our video in the description below. We're going to do another video on actually getting this thing installed and show you guys how to take it from your current cleaner using this. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton more videos coming your way this year. So really appreciate it. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.